Don't let filing season sneak up on you. Make sure you are ready. SARS has developed this handy checklist to get you through filing season 2026. First, you need to get all your important documents together. If you get a travel allowance, have your travel logbook on hand. If you are the main member of your medical aid, you will need your medical aid tax certificate from your medical scheme. Also have your retirement annuity certificate ready if you contribute to a retirement fund. Gather any IRP5s or IT3A certificates from all employers you worked for from 1st of March 2025 to 28th of February 2026. Get the tax certificates from financial institutions if you have investments. Check that your banking details are correct to avoid any delays if you have a refund due to you. If need be, update any contact details on e-filing or the SARS Mobi app. Income tax return submissions will open on the 13th of July 2026. Submit your tax return before the 23rd of October if you are a non-provisional taxpayer, and the 22nd of January 2027 if you are a provisional taxpayer. Prepare now and submit correctly the first time. SARS, at your service.